Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, delicious secret to living a longer, healthier life? For centuries, people in the Mediterranean region have enjoyed one of the highest life expectancies in the world. Their secret isn't a magic pill, but a golden elixir that's a cornerstone of their diet. Olive oil. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind this liquid gold to uncover the 5 most powerful ways it can help you extend your lifespan and improve your health. Forget fleeting trends. This is an ancient wisdom backed by modern science. So, pour yourself a little taste and let's explore why olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a recipe for longevity. First up, let's talk about the engine of our body. The heart. Heart disease remains a leading cause of mortality worldwide, but olive oil offers powerful protection. Its magic lies in its composition. It's packed with monounsaturated fats, particularly a superstar called oleic acid. This healthy fat works wonders by lowering your LDL, or bad cholesterol, which can clog your arteries. At the same time, it helps raise your HDL, the good cholesterol, which acts like a cleanup crew, removing excess cholesterol from your system. But that's not all. Olive oil is a champion at reducing blood pressure, easing the strain on your cardiovascular system. It also prevents a crucial and dangerous step in the development of heart disease, the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. When LDL oxidizes, it becomes sticky and forms plaques in your arteries, leading to a condition called atherosclerosis. The powerful antioxidants in olive oil stop this process in its tracks. Don't just take my word for it. A massive study from Harvard, which followed over 92,000 people for nearly 3 decades, delivered some stunning results. Researchers found that consuming just over half a tablespoon of olive oil per day was associated with a 19% lower risk of dying prematurely from cardiovascular disease. The study also revealed another fascinating insight. When people replaced other fats like butter, margarine, or mayonnaise with olive oil, their risk of death from any cause dropped by up to 34%. This isn't just a small adjustment, it's a life-altering swap. Making olive oil your primary fat source is one of the most impactful dietary changes you can make for a long and healthy life. Now let's move on to our second point: fighting inflammation. Imagine a small, silent fire constantly smoldering inside your body. That's chronic inflammation. It's a key driver of nearly every major age-related disease, from heart disease and cancer to arthritis and neurodegenerative disorders. While acute inflammation is a healthy response to injury, chronic inflammation wears your body down over time. This compound is what gives high-quality extra virgin olive oil its characteristic peppery or stinging sensation in the back of the throat. What's truly incredible is that oleocanthal has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects that are strikingly similar to ibuprofen, a common over-the-counter pain reliever. It works by inhibiting the same inflammatory enzymes, COX-1 and COX-2, that ibuprofen targets. So every time you enjoy a drizzle of good olive oil, you're not just adding flavor. You're delivering a natural daily dose of an anti-inflammatory agent that helps protect your entire body from the slow burn of chronic disease, paving the way for a healthier, longer life. Our third benefit is all about protecting our most precious organ, the brain. As we age, maintaining cognitive function and memory is a top priority for everyone. The very same anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect our heart also work to safeguard our brain cells from damage. The brain is incredibly active and consumes a lot of oxygen, which makes it particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress. The polyphenols in olive oil cross the blood-brain barrier to provide direct protection, shielding neurons from the relentless attack of free radicals. This protection is directly linked to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases, most notably Alzheimer's disease. The science here is truly exciting. Remember that special compound, oleocanthal? It plays a star role in brain health too. One of the hallmarks of Alzheimer's is the buildup of sticky proteins called amyloid beta plaques in the brain, which disrupt communication between neurons. Groundbreaking research has shown that oleocanthal actually helps the brain clear these toxic plaques. It enhances the function of proteins and enzymes responsible for removing amyloid beta, essentially helping to clean the brain and prevent the progression of the disease. Furthermore, numerous large-scale studies have consistently shown that people who closely follow a Mediterranean diet, which is rich in olive oil, experience slower cognitive decline, have better memory, and maintain sharper thinking skills well into their later years. It is clear that nourishing your brain with olive oil is a wise investment in your future mental clarity. Next, we arrive at one of the most feared diseases of our time: cancer. The link between diet and cancer risk is well established, and olive oil emerges as a powerful protective agent. The journey to cancer often begins with damage to our DNA. Oxidative stress, caused by those pesky free radicals we talked about, can cause mutations in our genetic code, which can then lead to the uncontrolled cell growth that defines cancer. The potent antioxidants in olive oil act as guardians of our DNA, neutralizing free radicals before they can inflict this damage. This fundamental protective mechanism reduces the risk of cancerous mutations from ever occurring in the first place. But the benefits don't stop there. Scientists have discovered that specific compounds within olive oil can actively fight cancer cells that have already formed. In laboratory studies, substances like oleocanthal have shown a remarkable ability to induce apoptosis or program cell death in cancer cells. What's incredible is that they do this selectively, targeting and killing the cancer cells while leaving healthy, normal cells completely unharmed. This is the holy grail of cancer treatment, and it's found naturally in olive oil. Population studies back this up, showing strong associations between higher olive oil consumption and a reduced risk of developing certain types of cancer, particularly cancers of the breast and the digestive tract, like colon cancer. It's another profound way this golden oil contributes to a longer, disease-free life. Finally, let's look at benefit number 5. Promoting excellent metabolic health, which is crucial for managing weight and blood sugar. In a world struggling with obesity and diabetes, olive oil offers a simple and effective tool. Now, you might think, how can a fat help with weight management? The answer lies in satiety. The healthy fats in olive oil are very effective at making you feel full and satisfied after a meal. This feeling of fullness helps curb your appetite, reducing the likelihood of overeating or snacking on unhealthy, processed foods. By helping you naturally control your overall calorie intake, olive oil can be a valuable ally in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight, which is a cornerstone of longevity. Beyond weight management, olive oil has a profoundly positive impact on blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. This is especially important for preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. When your body becomes resistant to insulin, sugar can't get into your cells for energy and builds up in your bloodstream, causing all sorts of damage. Olive oil helps make your cells more responsive to insulin, allowing for better blood sugar regulation. A landmark study published in the journal Nutrition and Diabetes found that a diet enriched with olive oil significantly improved blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity in participants. By keeping your metabolism running smoothly and your blood sugar in check, olive oil helps prevent a cascade of metabolic problems that can shorten lifespan and reduce quality of life. So there you have it, the 5 pillars of longevity supported by one incredible food. From protecting your heart and brain to fighting inflammation, preventing cancer, and balancing your metabolism, olive oil is truly a powerhouse of health. It is a testament to the fact that the simplest choices can often have the most profound impact on our well-being. The key takeaway is to make it a consistent part of your daily life. And when you choose, always reach for high-quality, extra virgin olive oil. The extra virgin label means it's the least processed and contains the highest concentration of those beneficial polyphenols and antioxidants we've been talking about. It is the closest you can get to the golden elixir that has sustained the world's healthiest populations for millennia. Swapping out other fats for this liquid gold is a delicious, easy, and powerful step toward a longer, more vibrant life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life.